Hi, I'm Ryan with Trail Marco. My wife Mila and I got invited to join our friend and fellow Jeeper Todd as part of the Florida Python Challenge. We had such a great time. The Florida Python Challenge started around 3 years ago and carries a grand prize of $10,000. We followed Todd till around midnight, and during that time we watched some pretty basic and also complex setups hunt these pythons up and down the road. That included a pickup truck with a generator and stadium lighting strapped to the side. And that was pretty interesting.
This is what it's all about. We're here to get rid of these. They're a beautiful creature, and it's a shame we have to kill them. But this is what it's about. This is probably a 2-month-old snake. And within 5 to 7 years, this will be 13 feet. And capable of eating a full-grown alligator or a full-grown deer.
A huge thanks to Todd for allowing us to tag along. I'm Ryan with Trail Marco. Where's your next adventure?